Hi, welcome. Today, let's talk about a different subject, financial astrology. If we were predicting about market movement and claiming their prediction based on stars and planets movement. Since a large people are talking or discussing on this subject, I try to analyze the facts. Is it really possible to trade based on planet moves? Is astro views better than technical views? I am not astrologer. I don't know anything about astrology. So how to analyze? Then I thought, let's analyze what already predicted by famous astrologers. Whether it went right or wrong, how many times it went right, how many times it went wrong. If I went right, was it possible to trade based on the prediction? If went wrong, was it worth to take risk? Then I decided to study a few astrologers' predictions. There are thousands of astrologers who predicting about market. Then I choose one astrologer. He is predicting not only in stock market, he is predicting about politics, sports, economy, natural disasters, and most came accurate. Is not 100%, maybe 70-80% he was predicting right. He is predicting in stock market also. It was most accurate comparing to others astrologer. His name is Anirudh Kumar Mishra. Let's study his predictions about stock market for last 3 years. He's predicting market for a long time. I don't know because I have data since 2017 November. In November 15, he said fall in market will stop from next week and it will keep rising till 20th December. So he predicted on November 15th. What happened after that? Market fell in December first week. In December 16 also, Sensex was trading below 33,000, but by 20th December it reached the target of 34,000. So in these predictions, he perfectly right. So who followed? If anyone followed his predictions, could have made huge money. When he was predicted, since Sensex was 33,000, it went below 32,500, but it went 35,000. Then he predicted about Bitcoin. So big corrections Bitcoin in 2018. So he predicted 2018 big corrections and major fall will come between February to March 2018. So that time, so in 2018 in February to March it fell like anything. Total 2018 corrected 80% of Bitcoin, so it was right. Second, it was predicted after the 34,000 reached in the Sensex is predicted market is going to correct in January and February. So it was expected a fall. It was expected to fall in January and February. But what happened in January? Market continued the rally. It was moving up 34,000 to it was rallying about 35,000. Then in January 17, again he predicted after January 22nd, market is going to fall till February end. But what happened after 26th January also market was rallied till 2nd February. In February after the budget market was corrected. He was expecting the target of 33,000 34,000 between that range. That market was corrected till 33,500. He was right, but between the time when he was expected market was going to fall after January, initially it went up, so but finally it reached its target. So you but logically he is right, but it was difficult to trade. And again February 19, he was predicted Sensex target of 36,000 by March end of 2018. He was predicted February 19. That time Sensex was around 34,000. It didn't reach that level. It failed. That prediction was failed, not he is failed. Prediction was failed. Again, it was predicted in May 21, 2018 that Sensex target 37,000 by July end of 2018. That is reached. It was reached on around July. So he was right on that prediction. In August 9, 2018, he was predicted fall in Sensex. 13 to 27th August was expected a fall, but it didn't fail. And it was a fail. Again in September uh, September 2, he was predicted that fall is still pending. In September, market going to fall in Sensex around 2,500 point. It fell more than 2,500 points. This time he was right. But once it is failed and it went against the trend, his predictions, it was more difficult the second time immediately to go believe and take positions. On September 25, he predicted that market can recover until December market can move. But October market was not recovered. Till end of the December market was up, but it is not a continue uptrend, but it was a up. So you can consider this a success also, because market was negative, it was closed in positive. So this is also after September 5, market was not recovered. In October 4, again is predicted market going to cross 39,000 Sensex. It not reach 39,000. It may be 37,000 around change, 37,000, 38,000, 38,000 it went. So you can call it as a fail because it didn't reach the target. In April 11, when Sensex was around 35, 36, maybe 37 to 38, I think. That times he predicted Sensex is going to cross 45,000 by end of December. So it didn't cross 45,000, but it was continuous growth was seen till December. So we can take a success because trend was right, even though it is not the reach the target. So it was right. And in the same before in June 26, 2019, he was predicted a good month for July. Actually, it went opposite his predictions that July was a bad month. In 2019, July was the bad month. That time market was corrected heavily, but he was expected a smooth run for the month. In August 2nd of 2019, he predicted market going to rise after 31st of August. 31st of August market immediately didn't run. By 28th of September market bottomed out. We had seen good rally both in Sensex and Nifty up to after this tax cut, corporate tax cut. You can consider this is also right prediction. In 2020, he predicted market can see major downfall from January 2020. January 2020 market was rallied. It made life high around 28th of January. He predicted only major downfall after January. So we can consider 1 month, 2 months. He didn't say any target also. So if you take a position on January, so your margin call could have hit it. So even if you take a short positions, even market rally, you were in big loss in January. But in February, we have seen big fall. Logically or practically, he was right. He said after January in 2020 can see major fall, but it was very difficult or highly impossible to take position, or as if you take position when you are going to take after January. If you take a positions, your stop loss could have hit it, or as if you not keep stop loss also, when you are going to short in futures, so your all margin could have gone. So I said, I what he said, everything I revealed here. You can check it whether it was possible to trade based on astrology. For me, it was impossible. It is not good who are following a risk management. Even he was right more than 60 times also, but it is not good who are following risk management, because here we cannot keep stop losses. So he will say that one, okay, next 3 months market will fall. This month if you take initially, market can go for initially 5% 6% up, then your stop loss could have hit it. So if you take in a futures, your all capital could have gone. If you not keep stop loss, we don't know, sometimes he will also fail in more than 30 40 times if he failed. So then what you will do? That is the reason, please stick on your technicals. Even if you followed astrology also, there also you apply your technicals, then it can work well if you want. So I will not look for any astrology predictions. Even sometimes it has given best result. So he said that one 10% move it has happened, but I will not follow. This is for today friends. Bye, take care.